Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today our topic is ophiolites and ophiolites of Pakistan. First of all, I will try to discuss about the meaning of ophiolites. So ophio is a Greek word and it means snake and lite means stone, and the name has been given because ophiolites have similarity in color and texture with snakes and some greenish color. Ophiolites is basically the section of Earth's oceanic crust and the underlying upper mantle that has been uplifted or in place to be exposed within continental crustal rocks. So it is the basic definition of ophiolite. It is the section of Earth's oceanic crust and the underlying upper mantle that has been uplifted or in place to be exposed within continental crustal rocks. And another main important point is that when the formation of ophiolites take place, so ophiolites are the fragments of oceanic crust and upper mantle that have been uplifted and emplaced on continental margins. And now, what is the lithology of ophiolites? So ophiolites consist 5 distinct layers. The youngest layer, and which is the first layer, it is a primary sediments that was accumulated on the sea floor. So there are in the first layer, these are the youngest and it is the primary sediments that was accumulated on the sea floor. So we can say that these are the primary sediments which has accumulated on the sea floor, and it is the first layer of ophiolite. And after that, in the second layer, there are pillow basalt, which are characterized by large pillow or cloud shaped blobs. So the second layer in ophiolites is pillow basalt, which are characterized by large pillow or cloud shaped blobs. The third layer in ophiolites is sheeted dikes, and these are formed by rising magma within the earth crust. So the third layer are sheeted dikes, and these are formed by rising magma within the earth crust. And after that, there are sheeted dikes are underlined by gabbro. So sheeted dikes are underlined by gabbro, which is compositionally similar to basalt but more coarse grained due to the slow cooling process. So it is the fourth layer in ophiolites, and these are sheeted dikes. After that, the most oldest layer in the ophiolites is peridotite. So it is the bottommost layer, and it is peridotite, which is believed to be mantle rock composition. And now I will discuss about the difference between oceanic crust and ophiolites. With respect to composition, ophiolites lavas are dominant by arcthulites, back arc basalt, and andesite, which are different from oceanic crust. And another aspect of the difference between oceanic crust and ophiolites is thickness. Ophiolites do not have any contrast in thickness. They may have more or less thickness, but oceanic crust have 5 to 7 kilometer thickness. And there are another important point is age difference. Ophiolite formation is often surprisingly close to the age of their emplacement into the continental crust. So no oceanic crust is older than about 200 million years. So it is the most important point about that. No oceanic crust is older than about 200 million years. And another aspect of the difference between oceanic crust and ophiolites is density. So the density of oceanic crust is low as compared to the ophiolitic sequence. And now we will discuss about the ophiolites in Pakistan. As you know that Indian plate collide with Eurasian plate and Afghan plate. So due to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plate, there are east-west oriented ophiolitic zone or east-west oriented ophiolites due to the Indian and Eurasian plate in Pakistan. Another important point is that there are north-south oriented or north-south trending ophiolitic zone or ophiolites due to the Indian plate collide with Eurasian and Afghan plate. So in the Eurasian bloc there are about 4 well-known ophiolitic zones in Pakistan. In Eurasian bloc, number 1 is Dargai ophiolites, the another is Mingora and Bajawad ophiolites, and after it there are Chelas ophiolites. So in Eurasian bloc we have Dargai, Mingora, Bajawad and Chelas ophiolites. After that there are in Afghan bloc we have Waziristan ophiolites, Zob ophiolites, Muslimbagh ophiolites and Bela ophiolites. And there are some characters about the Muslimbagh ophiolites, and the thickness of Muslimbagh ophiolites is about 17 km. In basement of the Muslimbagh ophiolite there are ultramafic rock. Ultramafic rocks are there in the basement of Muslimbagh ophiolites, and the thickness of ultramafic rocks are about 11 km. In the upper part of Muslimbagh ophiolites there are dunite, and in the lower part of Muslimbagh ophiolites there are Hasbargite. And another important feature about the Bela ophiolite is that the thickness of the sequence is about 3 to 5 km between Karachi and Khuzdar area. So in Bela ophiolites there are transform faults. In Pakistan there are Dargai, Mingora, Bajawad, Chelas, Waziristan, Zob, Muslimbagh and Bela ophiolites are the ophiolitic zones in Pakistan. And ophiolites are the slabs of ancient oceanic crust abducted or preserved onto continental crust. They are located in collisional boundaries. So it is also the important point, ophiolites are located in collisional boundaries. The composition of ophiolites is sediments, lavas, sheeted dikes, gabbros and ultramafic rocks. And the ophiolites have similarity with oceanic crust. So viewers, it is all about the ophiolites, and I think enjoy all of these information as a student of geology or as a professional geologist. So I suggest you please watch all of my previous videos and don't forget to subscribe and watch all of my previous videos. Thank you.